Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Mi and I will guide you through a yoga flow that is called Dancing Warrior today. It's pretty much like the classic Sun Salutation, but we will do the Warrior 2 and poses that have the same standing position as Warrior 2. Those are Reverse Warrior and Side Angle Pose. I'm going to give you a lot of options, so if you feel like whichever option is the best for your body right now, please take that option with you. Let's stand at the front of your mat in the mountain pose. In this pose, your feet parallel to each other, and I really like it to do feet as wide as hips so that you get the most balance and stability in this standing pose. Stand up straight. Feel how you're rooting down through both of your feet and raise your spine up very tall. There will be natural curve on your spine, curving in at your neck and low back, and curving out at your upper back and your sacrum. From now, bring your shoulders down so that you have long neck and big chest, ready to breathe. Let's bring your hands in front of your heart, or one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly to feel the expansion and collapsion of the breath. Close your eyes. We start with about 10 long deep breaths here. Take one deep inhale. Feel you rooting down through your feet and growing up taller, become longer throughout your whole body. And as you exhale, try to keep this height. Feel how your torso become empty as you let your air go through your nose. Inhale. Every time you inhale, make sure that it's a little bit deeper and longer than the previous time. And every time you exhale, make it even longer and complete. Just leave your lungs empty so that you can inhale even more. And through all these inhale and exhales, feel a lot of movement, a lot of expansion on your torso. But keep your face calm, relax. And keep your neck always long. So drop your shoulders down, far away from your ears. Try to teach your body to do this in not only this pose, but also every other yoga pose. Or any pose you do in your life. Long neck. Then slowly open your eyes as you finish your breath. Stay here for 1 or 2 breaths. Get ready to start the flow. Check your feet, make sure they're still parallel to each other. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, forward bend, belly down to your thighs. You don't have to straighten your knees here. Keep your knees quite bent. Inhale, halfway up. Use your own hand to check your low back and make sure that at least it's flat, or it should be curving in. One more inhale, bring your buttock up and back. And exhale, forward bend. Step your right foot back a long step and bring the whole right foot down to the floor, pointing your toes towards the right side. Bend your front knee, stack it right on the top of your front ankle. Check both of your feet and see that they have the arc, the inner arc. And then swing your arms over your head as you stand up for Warrior 2. Spend 1 breath here to check your standing position. Take away the back bend if you are doing it. Shorten your belly. Your front knee is right on the top of your front ankle and your front thigh bone is opening out more strength on your butt. The back foot too, try to press down to the outer edge of your back foot. And when you are ready, take a deep inhale. And exhale, bring your right arm around your waist, reverse warrior or peaceful warrior. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, easy option, bring your elbow down to your knee and bring your right arm over your head for easy side angle pose. Inhale, warrior 2. And exhale, reverse warrior. Inhale, warrior 2. And exhale, bring your hand down to the floor inside your foot and your top arm over your ear. It's already harder for side angle pose. And then bring both hands down to the floor, raise your back heel up, step your front foot back for plank pose. Inhale. And exhale, you can go chaturanga or easier, knees down, half chaturanga and lay down to the floor. Inhale for cobra pose or up dog if you know how to do it. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring your right leg up toward the sky. Exhale, step your right foot toward your right hand and bring the whole left foot down to the floor. Fix your legs, become really strong and stable with your standing base. And bring your arms to the side for warrior 2. Again, we spend about 1 or 2 breaths here to check your position. Make sure that the hip joints, the knee joints are really stable. Feel how you have most of your strength coming from your glute. And once you are ready, take a deep inhale. And exhale, left arm behind you, reverse warrior. Inhale, warrior 2. And exhale, arm on the top of your knee, left arm over your ear. Easy option for side angle pose. Inhale, warrior 2. And exhale, reverse warrior. Inhale, warrior 2. And exhale, right hand inside your right foot on the floor and left arm over your ear. And then bring both hands toward the floor, raise your back heel up and step it forward, parallel to the front foot. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. Chair pose, inhale. Stand up straight, exhale, hands in front of your heart or arms along your body. Mountain pose, stay here for the next 3 breaths. Slow down. Calm down inside your body. And be ready to do the other round. Once you are ready, let's do it. Keep your feet parallel to each other. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. Step your left foot back, a long step. Turn the whole left foot down to the left side. Get ready to stand up into warrior 2. Now it's the second time you do this pose on this side, so check your body. Make sure that you have a lot of core strength and strength from your glute. Once you're ready, take a deep inhale to lengthen your spine. And exhale, reverse warrior. Some people call this peaceful warrior 2. Inhale, warrior 2. And exhale, arm down to your thigh bone. Easy side angle pose. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, reverse warrior. Inhale, warrior 2. And exhale, right hand down toward the floor. Bring your left arm over your ear. So if your right hand cannot be on the floor, you can hold a block or you can put your right elbow on your knee for the easy option. And bring both hands down to the ground and step your front foot back for plank. Inhale, plank pose. And exhale, chaturanga or knees down and then the rest of your body down to the floor. Inhale, cobra or up dog if you're confident about it. And exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg up toward the sky, inhale. And exhale, step your left foot toward your left hand. Bring your right foot down to the floor. Get ready to stand up as you inhale to Warrior 2. And exhale, Reverse Warrior. Inhale, Warrior 2. Exhale, easy side angle pose. Elbow on your knee. Inhale, Warrior 2. Exhale, Reverse Warrior. Inhale, Warrior 2. And exhale, side angle pose. Let's bring both hands down toward the floor, raise your back heel up and step the whole back foot forward. As you inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. Chair pose, inhale. Exhale, stand up, mountain pose with your hands in front of your heart or arms along your body. Stay for 5 breaths and get ready for the second round. Calm down. We're going to go through all these poses a little bit faster, and I will add one more pose, that is triangle pose. So make sure that your legs become really strong, and however tired you feel, try to feel tired in your glute and core, and not on your knees and ankle. So when you are ready, feet parallel to each other. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. Step your right foot back, a long step. Stand up for Warrior 2. Inhale. And exhale, Reverse Warrior. Inhale, Warrior 2. Exhale, elbow on your knee, easy side angle. Inhale, Warrior 2. And exhale, Reverse Warrior. Inhale, Warrior 2. Exhale, hand down to the floor, arms over your head, side angle. And then stand up, inhale, arms to the side, straighten your front leg. And exhale, keep your legs straight, do reverse triangle pose. Inhale, bring your arms to the side. And exhale, push your hips to the back side of your mat and place your left hand on your ankle or on the floor. Bring your right arm over your ear for triangle pose. Let's bring both hands down to the floor, raise your back heel up, bend your front knee and step your front foot back for plank pose. Inhale in plank. And exhale, you can go through chaturanga or knees down and everything else down to the floor. Inhale, cobra pose or up dog if you want to. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring your right leg up toward the sky. And exhale, step your right foot toward your right hand, the whole left foot pointing to the left side. And inhale, stand up for Warrior 2. Let's do the dancing warrior flow. Exhale, Reverse Warrior. Inhale, Warrior 2. Exhale, side angle pose. Inhale, Warrior 2. Exhale, Reverse Warrior. Inhale, Warrior 2. And exhale, right hand on the floor, left arm over your head. Inhale, stand up, bring your arms to the side, straightening your front knee. And exhale, reverse triangle. Inhale, bring your arms to the side. Push your hips back, and as you exhale, place your front hand on the front ankle or on the floor and the other arm over your ear. Triangle pose. And then bring both hands down to the floor, raise your back heel up and step forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. Chair pose, inhale. Exhale, stand up, hands in front of your heart, or arms along you. Mountain pose. spend 3 breaths here to calm down. And then we can finish the other side of this round. So once you are ready, let's start on this side, feet parallel to each other, ready for chair pose as you inhale. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. Step your left foot back, ready for warrior 2 as you inhale. Exhale, reverse warrior. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, elbow on your knee, top arm over your ear. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, reverse warrior. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, the deeper side angle pose. Inhale, arms to the sides, straightening your front knee. And exhale, reverse triangle. Inhale, arms to the side. And exhale, hips back, hands down toward your ankle or to the floor, top arm over your head for triangle pose. And then place both of your hands down to the floor, step your front foot back, plank pose, inhale. And exhale, chaturanga or half chaturanga, be on the floor. You can choose between cobra or up dog as you go, inhale. And exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg up as you inhale. And exhale, step your left foot toward your left hand. Bring the whole right foot down to the floor. Warrior 2. Inhale. And exhale, reverse warrior. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, the easy side angle pose. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, reverse warrior. Inhale, warrior 2. And exhale, hand down toward the floor, the harder side angle pose. Inhale, stand up, arms to the side, straightening your front knee. And exhale, reverse triangle. Inhale, bring your arms to the side. And exhale, triangle pose, hips back. Bring your left hand down to your front ankle or to the floor and right arm over your head. And then bring both hands down to the floor. Step your back foot forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. Chair pose, inhale. Exhale, stand up. Hands in front of your heart or along your body. Close your eyes. Stay here for about 5 breaths. Calm down. Slow down within your body. Slow down your breath and your heart. And then you can open your eyes as we are done with the class today. It's a very simple flow, isn't it? But if you do these repetitive movements like every week, you're going to gain a lot of strength on your lower body and a lot of flexibility on your upper body. It's these basic and easy things that improve your joints and muscles. Thank you very much for doing this with me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you get notification for whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next flow. Goodbye.